Hello, Soapy Squad. It's good to be back on here. I have been missing in action and I apologize for that. Um, Not to waste so much time, we are doing a heat transfer method in this soap video, okay? And I'm doing a lavender, chamomile, and calendula bar soap. It's a baby bar soap, okay? And what I'm doing here is just putting in the dry herbs. Make sure your herbs are dry. Putting my dry herbs inside my sunflower oil, and I took that to go infuse on very low heat, okay? And that was done earlier on, okay? So that it has more time to infuse. So here I am putting in all my solid butters, my mango butter, cocoa butter, avocado butter, shea butter, okay? So I want this soap to be very, very rich, okay? Now in a separate bowl, I am putting in my liquid oils, okay? Now I brought back my solid butter, okay, with the infused oil because I pre-warmed it for it to be a bit warm, okay, and I poured the oil, the infused oil with all this goodness, I poured it into the solid butters, okay. Now I'm going ahead to mix my lye in water to have my solution hot. I didn't want to mix it down early enough. I just wanted to mix it now so that it will melt my butters. That's the whole trick. The lye water has to be hot enough to be able to melt all your butters, okay? So the advantage of this is that you don't need to keep melt your oils on double boiler and keep it for it to start getting warm. Keep your lye solution to start getting cold, and your lye solution to start getting cold too as well, okay? Because I like to mix mine a previous day so that it's now at room temperature the next day for me to soak comfortably, okay? So sometimes it can take a lot of time to prep and wait for it to cool down, for it not to accelerate very quickly. So now using this heat transfer method cuts down on that time, because you can literally just bring out your butters, bring out everything, and make this soap from scratch to finish at a spot, okay? So I am mixing it and making sure everything dissolves, okay? Guys, I'm so sorry for staying away. I'm so tied up with a lot of projects. I had shot a lot of videos in February, starting from January, and this is one of those videos, but I've not had time to edit them and post them on here, coupled with the fact that I lost a lot of my footages. I don't know how that happened, but it seems my phone just crashed and I lost a lot of videos. Okay, so whatever is left of the content I had created in January, I'll be bringing them out batch by batch as I can, okay? So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. You're welcome to this channel, The Messy Soaper. Here we learn how to make soap and we make fun soapy things here. So I went in with my liquid oils, okay? You can see I made sure everything dissolved very well, and it was a smooth consistency. And then I went in with my liquid oils, okay? My liquid oils I split into two parts. The one with sunflower that I used in infusing, and then my other oils, which was the palm kernel oil, olive oil, castor oil, okay? So I'm splitting this batch because Since it's a lavender soap, I just want to give a lilac effect to this bar soap. Okay, so I put in a bit of lilac mica powder and I'm giving this a stir, and it's so beautiful to see how everything is still staying very, very liquidy, you know, even with using the heat transfer method. Like, it's giving me so much time to do what I need to do. And I mean, this is such a beautiful color, and I'm happy I used this lilac mica powder. Now I went in with my lavender essential oil. Lavender is great for babies. It's very, very calming and soothing to their skin and to their nostrils. Okay, it activates sleep. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's calming, it's soothing for their skin and for other benefits too as well. You can check off lavender. It has a whole lot of benefits that it brings to the table. So I'm done mixing that, and I'll be mixing the remaining essential oil into this batter, and I am not coloring this batch. I actually wanted to leave the soap as natural as possible, but I just felt to take out a little part and color in lilac to give it a different look. So you want to make sure that you mix everything very well so you don't have separation happening in your soap. So I go ahead and pour this into my mold. I go in with my lavender soap batter. I just keep alternating between the plain soap batter and the lavender soap batter, the lilac, lavender in one. So I just go ahead and give it a bit of texturing on the top of this soap, and voila, we are done. So I had a couple of more badges to do, and I did a different texturing on the top of this ones. Okay, and I loved it so much. Guys, will you be trying out the heat transfer method? Let me know. And we've cut our soaps. They are so good. Sorry I didn't do a lather test. I just wanted to show you how to do a heat transfer. I think I did, but I lost the footage. I'm sure I did, but I lost it. Okay, I'm just lucky to have all of this still in place. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We would like to have you binge on all our videos. Okay, this soap is very good for kids, for adults, for all skin type, because it's quite gentle to the skin. Okay, and it comes with these lovely botanicals, the chamomile, calendula, you know, and the lavender herbs that help with soothing eczema prone skin and sensitive skin. So guys, catch you on our next video. Happy soaping!